Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rahma Alia, NIM 3520013. Okay, I will read the text Global Economic Crisis. In 2008, a great economic crisis led to a recession of the economies around the world. What began as a credit crisis turned out to be the biggest banking crisis since the Great Depression. Although the inflation of the crisis are most severe in the USA, bank and insurance companies all over the world have collapsed and government have come to resort by lending them money. The American government wants to save the global financial system with $700. With this money, it wants to restore trust in American banking system. Cause of the crisis, there are many reasons for the current crisis. Government, especially the American government, did not control the banking control the banking sector enough and let the bank give loan to people without asking for securities. Many companies, banks, and firms have become too greedy and wanted to make a lot of quick money. Since the 1970, too many goods and services have been produced. Globalization at the beginning of the 1998 companies and firms in industrialized nations began looking for new ways of making more money. They started transfer their companies to Asia, where they hired cheaper workers and had access to less expensive raw material. Because of low labor costs, they could produce more supply and make more profit. The economic bubble in the last 15 years, more and more investors and companies wanted to make large profit. They bought real estate, stock, and higher prices in the hope of making quick money. When price got too high, nobody bought stock and real estate anymore. Price fell and as time went on they and real estate anymore. Price fell and as time went to they become worthless. Such an economic bubble burst in Asia between 1997 and 1997. It led to the economic collapse of some countries, including Japan, with a few weeks stock market price fell and nobody bought stock or real estate anymore. For it investors put on their money or of Asia. Dari teks tersebut didapatkan kesimpulan adalah krisis ekonomi global pada tahun 2008, krisis ekonomi yang hebat menyebabkan resesi ekonomi di seluruh dunia. Ada banyak alasan untuk krisis saat ini. Pemerintah, terutama pemerintah Amerika, tidak cukup mengendalikan sektor perbankan dan membiarkan bank memberikan pinjaman kepada orang. Pada awal 1980-an, perusahaan di negara-negara industri mulai mencari cara baru untuk menghasilkan lebih banyak uang. Dalam 15 tahun terakhir, semakin banyak investor dan perusahaan ingin menghasilkan laba yang lebih besar. Mereka membeli real estate saham dengan harga tinggi dan menjualnya dengan harga lebih tinggi dengan harapan menghasilkan uang cepat. Seperti gelembung ekonomi meledak di Asia antara 1997 sampai 1998 itu menyebabkan keruntuhan ekonomi beberapa negara termasuk Jepang. Hanya itu yang dapat saya sampaikan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.